Tools hanging out pretty long, 2 inches deep, 3/4 inch. We're actually roughing some 604V titanium, really cool part right here. This is EM 1200 from EMCO. It's a monster mill right here. So you got the height glass scales on it. You got a static table. You can put like 4,000 pounds on this thing. So it's an absolute monster. So we got the Siemens control. Now something else that's really cool is check out the coolant. The coolant is a little bit whiter than usual. It's just a little cloudy and I got a lot of pressure coming out. And guess what? This is not the Synergy 735. So I've been running Synergy 735 since like 2017. with no issues at all, and I have it in all my machines. But in this machine right here, I actually use a Skytec 500 from Blaser. And a lot of people love this coolant. So it's a brand new coolant from Blaser. A couple cool things about it is aerospace approved. Huge companies love it. And then you actually don't need DI water now. You can use regular tap water. Cutting Inconel, titanium, getting after it in aerospace materials. And you need a affordable, crazy coolant. Skytec 500 is probably for you guys. And another thing about this coolant, there's no smell, nothing. Nobody's gonna smell it on you. The texture is really good. See this groove over here? I'm just in that groove, just getting that material out right there. You look at your load, the load is like barely over 25%. It just sounds a little loud because you got the holder hanging out and then you got the long tool hanging out. We have a smaller radial cut, so service foot is at 400, so a little bit higher RPMs. And then we got the feed rate is at about 0.004 per tooth.